I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So what's top of mind is the need for speed plus scale. It is essential in manufacturing for the future. We can no longer go from producing 1 to 2. Instead, we need to go from 1 to 1,000 at a minimum. So let's talk about a recent example. Elon Musk is doing a $25 billion joint venture with Tesla, XAI, and SpaceX to make a Terafab. And what this will do is provide computer power output of 1 terawatt. What does this mean? Well, the whole globe only produces 20 terawatts. So it is significant. Instead of going from designing a semiconductor in one place like California to fabricating it in another like Taiwan to packaging and testing in yet another like Malaysia, slower and less volume, it moves to vertically integrated, software driven and high volume, yet also efficient. And it's going to support cars plus AI robots and space. So what should we be thinking and taking away? You have got to be thinking about speed plus scale in order to be successful in hyperscale manufacturing today, support future customer needs, and set yourself up for the future.